Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by testing water chemistry right away. This sets the foundation for clear water. Use a reliable test kit to check pH, free chlorine, and total alkalinity, then adjust pH to 7.2 to 7.6 so chlorine works efficiently. Once done, bring alkalinity to 80 to 120 ppm to stabilize pH. If chlorine reads below 1 ppm or after storms and parties, shock the pool to remove combined chlorine and organics before moving on. Next, focus on circulation and filtration because clear water depends on moving and cleaning the water. Run the filter 8 to 12 hours daily. Check pressure and backwash or clean cartridges when pressure rises 5 to 10 psi over baseline. Meanwhile, skim surface debris, brush walls and tile to prevent biofilm, and vacuum the floor to remove settled particles. Make sure the water level stays near mid-skimmer so suction remains steady. If the pump struggles, inspect baskets and impeller for clogs. To finish, establish a simple maintenance routine that preserves clarity. Keep free chlorine between 1 and 3 ppm and schedule a weekly shock or after contamination to oxidize wastes. Use an algaecide weekly as a preventive and apply clarifier if fine particles cause cloudiness. Clarifier helps the filter trap microparticles. If the pool stays cloudy beyond 48 hours, check the filter operation. Consider a flock treatment to settle particles, and if unresolved, call a pro.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.